maintenance, I would say two parts. One, the role that the doctor who has placed the implants and given you brand new teeth, the role that that doctor will have to play in maintenance. And of course the second part is the way you maintain those implants in your mouth. On the part of doctor, it's really important that he somehow convinces you to visit him every 6 months. And this is really important because if there is anything going wrong around an implant, then it is extremely critical that those issues are sorted out as early as possible before they can deteriorate and create an undue complication, which may end up in the worst case scenario in you losing that tooth and the implant, or maybe a surgery which may involve some kind of grafting procedures. So therefore, on the part of doctor, it's very important to emphasize on regular visits. And obviously for you, it's very important that you heed your doctor's advice and visit him every 6 months, when he is going to not only take some x-rays but also do some routine maintenance around that implant. On your part, you need to brush very thoroughly around these implants twice in a day, floss once in a day around these implants, and make sure that you maintain these implants well. Your doctor may also advise you to use additional hygiene measures such as a water pick. It's a jet of water which helps in maintaining these implants and cleaning up the debris which are sticky in nature accumulating around your implant. So at times it may be a water pick that your doctor may prescribe, or it may be what are known as proximal brushes that go between your implants or between your implants and the adjacent natural teeth, and keep these areas squeaky clean. So whatever the advice of your doctor as far as maintenance of hygiene, please make sure that you follow all these instructions. That's really important. It's also important that if you have slightest of issues related to your implants, then make sure that you inform your doctor, visit him, and get those problems sorted out. Because unlike in case of teeth, where most of the problems take time to mature, develop, and become an infection or an inflammation or a complication, in implants this process can happen extremely fast. So what may start as a small swelling in your gums may within a month or two end up as a severe loss of underlying bone, because after all it's an artificial surface around which we have a natural bone formation. So when a catastrophe sets in, it can set in extremely fast. So make sure that you don't prevaricate as soon as you have any kind of problem. Please inform your doctor, visit him, and take all the corrective measures required.
For more on your health, log on to health.india.com.